Anyway, guys, so today we're making the next episode of the beginning of the storm. I just spawned in the middle of nowhere. My creator said, "You know what? Let's make the beginning of the storm episode 5." So here I am. Wait. Okay, so I just got this new truck, and I don't know what am I supposed to do. Why is it not driving? Oh, I forgot to turn it on. Well, so I just got an assignment of a car, so let's go. Okay, I'm wondering where that car is. I'm also wondering who even allow me to drive this car? It's not even the kind of car I drive every single day. Okay, so deploy this and undeploy this. This new car is way out of hand for me. What kind of car even is this? Yep, this car is not my type of car. Confirmed. Well, I still have to get the tornado attack in. Still wondering, what happened to the tornado attack? How did it got flung? Was the Twixter's fault? Get in. You're my new toy car. Just get in and stop fooling around. Ah. Dude, tornado attack. Why aren't you just going to your place and staying there? Just stay there and be a good car because I'm picking you up to send you to the repair place. My God. Well, that took a lot of time. But what I do gotta say is, let's go. Let's just go. I need to take this to the repair shop. Don't go flying, tornado attack. Don't go flying. I need to send you to the repair shop. Several hours of driving later. And attention everybody, we have a new case of a tornado outbreak. We will have 35 EF5 and 1 secret tornado. We still don't know it, but somehow this tornado is stronger than any other tornado we experienced. Just stay safe, guys. Stay safe because this tornado is heading towards here. Just be careful and do not go on the tornado's path, okay? Just be careful and do not, whatever you do, do not dare to chase that secret tornado. Supposedly, this secret tornado is strong. I do not believe it. Do you believe it, John? No, I don't. Good, John. So let's go. Well, the winds. I think they were right about this tornado. Wait, I'm gonna check the wind speed. No, the wind speeder. What's happened? Wait, no, the tornado. No, it's strong. Oh my God, what's happening? Wow, this tornado is super strong. No. Whoa! No, 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 no! I'm flying! No! Wait, when is this going to stop? I've been on the air for I don't know how long. What's happening? What is happening with this tornado? This tornado is super strong. Wait, when am I gonna land? When am I going to land? Kaboom! I'm in outer space! Oh my god! I'm in outer space! And on other news, we just confirmed that the tornado is super strong. One of the storm chasers got flung on the accident. The car was never spotted, but we did spot it, a part of the car, which led to see that the wind speed was so strong it ripped the car apart. That's why we have to stay safe. This tornado is going to stay on the ground for around 24 or 1 hour. The 24 was 24 minutes. And also, the EF5 has been canceled because the tornado took all of their strength, and all of the EF5 were 200 wind speed. So we have to watch out because there could be a multiplex tornado outbreak, or probably not because of this tornado. And in other sequence, we are showing the path of the tornado. So in scales of this tornado, this wheel will represent an EF5. So the tornado slowly took over this land, and somehow it just made a circle, meaning that the tornado would die, right? Only after 10 minutes in the ground? No, the tornado kept going and going. Eventually the tornado got the storm inspector that was supposed to check the speed. He managed to get into the center before dying. After the car disappeared, the tornado kept going until it reached the other part of the city. That's when the tornado had a moon, or another tornado orbiting around it faster than it moves. The tornado slowly reached the city, West Lake John, and the cyclotornado reached a part of a city which was important. It reached a part where another inspector was, and when it hit the middle, the inspector got flung a few miles away. The inspector got flung. Miraculously, all of them survived, but the rest of the city was not that lucky. As the tornado kept going, something unexpected happened. Suddenly, the tornado consumed all of the West Lake John city, and none of the houses survived. Everyone in the city survived except one. A car that had a lot of important things got flung, including a cat. And the car got flung out of the city into nowhere. After the tornado consumed all of West Lake John, the tornado slowly went a direction no tornado has ever went, and 1/2 of the tornado went to the other side, leaving many unalert people hurt and injured without warning. Slowly, the tornado consumed a lot of places. The tornado began to lose power and starting to lose a lot of power. Then the tornado became small, but this didn't mean it was done. It continued going. But this was not the end, because as the tornado made a curve, the tornado slowly died. And as the tornado slowly died, something unbelievable massacre happened. As the tornado died, the unbelievable massacre happened. This tornado went to the middle of the city, where it made around $10,000 worth of damage. Then the tornado left the stage and came back with more power. Another storm chased team, also the one that was carrying the tornado attack earlier in this massacre, had the survival rate of 1% and managed to survive only with the car getting flung and get back to the tornado, where it got flung and destroyed. Suddenly the tornado did another circle and died. Oh no, this tornado is coming. I need to hurry up quickly or I will die. Okay, deploy fast. Faster. Okay, I deployed fast, and I'm still sad about the incident that happened before I did this part. Well, a bearer. Oh my. The window cracked. What am I? Okay, that tornado was so weird. Like, what? That thing destroyed my car. My car got blown up by that. How unbelievable. I hate this. My car got destroyed because of a tornado. How? It's supposed to withstand a lot of speed. How did it broke? Well, so I think I'm gonna call boss. Boss! What do you want? I want to cancel the video now. Why? My car got destroyed. Dude, have you checked the wind speed? No. It was 1,000. Bro, what is wrong with you? I just wanted to mess with you. Why are you taller than me? Because you're a fictional character. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. I'm not. Yes, you are. I'm not. You're a human. Wait, what? Yes, I am a human, and you will have to honor me because I am your creator. Or you know what will happen. What? You will die. And this whole series will die. Also your friends. No. Okay. Bye. Bye. Okay, so the script is after my car got destroyed by a tornado. Why does this happen to me? I hope this never happens to me again. I hate my day. Okay. I hate my day. Why does this happen to me? Gosh, I'ma just go home. Hi, bro. Bro, what happened to your face? I got flung into space. You're lying. No, I'm not. Okay, I'ma check the footage. What? No, don't do it. I'm too dark. Are you racist? No, I'm not. Okay, good boy. So, what did you do? I inspected a tornado and died. Nah, you're lying. You are lying. Bad boy. Ow, my head. My head is already ruined, so why am I crying? Yeah, your head is ruined. Take those bandages off. Hell no. Dude, what happened to your face? Didn't I already told you? Oh yeah, I forgot. So, can I tell you something? No, because I have a question. What's that cargo car doing with your car? Ooh, I forgot about that. It got destroyed while I was inspecting the tornado. You are crazy. Lala. Oh, hi. Hi, bro. What happened to Brainy? Oh, Jose. What? He is in the hospital. What? John, what do you mean he's at the hospital? Yep, Jose. Brainy is in the hospital. Jose, you gotta be lying. You gotta be lying. So, yes. Okay. What? Nothing. Okay, John. So first, you're telling me that Brainy is at the hospital. Yep, Jose, I'm not lying. Well, why are you off script? What? Like what? So I saw you reading the script. Why? Because he wanted to cancel the video. Boss! Boss, what are you doing here? Wait, who? Oh my! You wanted to cancel the video, yeah? Why? Because my car got destroyed. That's why you were off script? Yes, he denied the rules of the boss, the real one, not the one on the character end. Here's a little secret. The boss, the one that does the news report, is the evil character. What? That's too much information. Bye. Bro. Yeah. Why were you breaking the rules of the script? That was not supposed to be on the series. Now you understand that was not supposed to be on the series? Okay, bro.